Okay, so I decorated my kitchen, and of course I'm not cooking with these items here. This is just for display purposes, but I have those cute wooden charger plates. I got these from Anna Lee, and let me move this over so you can see. Aren't they cute? There's 4, but only 3 fit in this area. So I thought they would be perfect. And then I just put some red, white, and blue picks just to give it some color. But I do like the muted colors of the Americana look. But I have to bring in my teapot because it's just so beautiful. And again, here's that beautiful finial on top. Oh, it's just beautiful. And this one is the large, extra large, I don't know, but it's super huge, and I don't use this because it's so big, so it's just for display purposes only. And then I have my watering can here, and I just have some flags in it and some of those picks. And then over here I have my little dessert, and I thought it'd look cute with a donut inside the straw. So cute. And then I just threw some picks in there. And then I have my little boxes. I use these in another post, but I didn't show that it had the wording on it. So it says, live well, laugh often, and love much. So there you go. That's my little area for 4th of July in here. And so I hope you like it. I forgot to add my candle holder. I made this candle holder. I'm not the candle holder, the candle filler. And it's made out of rice, red, white, and blue. And I just added a Dollar Tree candle to it. It's cute, huh? So I just wanted to show you that I made a couple of new flower arrangements. So I have this chinoiserie base, and I just added some red and white flowers and a little bit of blue blushes to it. The pot itself is really my blue, but I wanted to add a little bit of blue to the top. And then I have a couple of my fireworks going on. And then I have these little picks. I don't know if you could see them. Let me see this side, maybe you could see it better. This side has, so it's got the little red, white, well, that's a blue. And then the white is in here. So it's got these little stars on here. That's kind of hidden. Isn't that cute? So that's one of my little flower arrangements I'm going to use for tomorrow for my 4th of July. And I got these. These items came from Michael's. They came in a pack of 6, and I guess I could have pulled this. Oops, I could have pulled this apart a little bit more, but like this one came apart really curlies. This one I'm just gonna leave alone. And anyways, I got those at Michael's, and then I got all of these really pretty flowers from Joann's, and they were on the 70% off sale. So a lot of the picks, but flower bunches, like this one, I believe it's like $1.79, and there's 3 red bunches in here. So there's still quite a few flowers on each bunch. And then these white ones, I believe they were also the same, maybe $2, maybe they were a little bit more. And then these blue ones, they were also on $1.75. I can't remember these ones, how much they came out to, but they weren't very much at all. So I guess it pays to do your 4th of July, your flower shopping at Joann's when it's 70% off, because I would have definitely not paid full price for what they were selling for originally. All right, so I'm going to show you my next flower arrangement. Okay, so here's my next one. Now granted, you guys, I am not a florist. I don't do floral arrangements. I just simply put stuff in there and kind of move stuff around. I don't even clip my flowers. They're on its original stem. Sometimes that poses a problem. Like this looks kind of all bunched up here, but oh well, it's just gonna be that way. But anyways, here's some more flowers from the 70% off sale. These ones I really like, because it's kind of like a navy blue inside here. So those are really pretty. And then you saw these same ones from the last flower arrangement. It has like a little touch of purple when you look at it a certain way, but I kind of like it. And then I just got these little berry things. I don't know what they're called. Some blue. So I just picked that up to add some more, just, character, I guess. I don't know. I like different textures, so I don't want all the flowers to be the same. This one's kind of bunched in here, but anyways. And then the little jar was kind of cute. It has stars on it, so I got that as well. So I did pretty good. I think I spent like $30 something, but I bought a lot more flowers than what I'm showing you here today. I just got some for the 4th of July, but I have a couple other flower arrangements that I'll be making, and those will be coming up pretty soon. So stay tuned, and you will see my other flower arrangements. Hope you guys like these. Bye-bye. I just wanted to take this moment to say thank you to all my loyal viewers. And if you're not already subscribing, please consider. I'd love to have you part of my YouTube family and have you follow me as I'm on my journey to blossom my own creativity, whether that's being with DIYs, tablescapes. So again, if you're not already following, please consider. And also, if you could please hit that like button, because that tells YouTube that you like my content and you're willing to come back and watch again. And hopefully that will push my video closer to the top, so that I can get more people to be interested. So thank you again for always taking the time to stop by and give me love and support. I do appreciate it.